Ferodo is constantly innovating to deliver outstanding products and braking experiences. Ferodo's brake pads are the result of extensive in-house friction material research and development and the finest production standards. Backplates are the first brick in the wall of our production line. Backplates are shot blasted to ensure the correct surface roughness. The plates are finally checked using a standardized test with a roughness gauge. We roll on a coat of adhesive onto the bonding surface of the backplates, pass them through a drying oven and cool them down. Once cooled, the backplates are ready to be pressed. Critical is the weighing and mixing of the compounds that make up the friction material. Each batch consists of the main friction compound and an underlayer compound. Friction material formulations are usually made up of 25 to 30 ingredients. The underlayer is a special mixture of chemicals that have low thermal conductivity and high mechanical properties to create a stronger bonding. The recipe ingredients are transported to the weighing machine and the mixer, where they are thoroughly mixed in batches. The assembly of friction materials to backplates is called pressing. The pressing procedure starts with the placement of the correct quantity of mixed formula and underlayer to pad-shaped dies in the press head. Hydraulic rams press the friction materials against the adhesive-coated backplates and are held there under very high pressure, long enough to create a firm bond with the backplate. The die is cleaned in preparation for the next pressing. The pads are subsequently fully cured. This procedure allows all the components, the mixed compound, binders and resins, to fix together and achieve their final mechanical and physical properties. Once the pad is pressed and cured according to OE standards, the backplates, the underlayer and friction material will form one robust part. Grinding reduces the thickness of the pad to achieve the final thickness as per the specification. The pad passes through a rough grind and a less coarse final grind until the product reaches the correct thickness. Our products can have 1, 2 or no grooves with a set of parallel, radial or no chamfers. Chamfers are used to reduce noise and attenuate unwanted frequencies. Grinding the grooves and chamfers are done in one step. The thickness is checked using a digital gauge. The steel backplates are painted with a visually aesthetic black tribostatic powder paint. Backplates are painted to protect against rust, brake fluids, and oxidation caused by corrosive agents like humidity and salt. Backplates are flamed to reduce the surface tension and to condition the backplate before we bond the shim. This increases the bond strength. To dampen vibrations and further reduce pad noise, OE matching shims are added onto the painted backplate. Each batch of pads is checked to ensure the highest possible product quality. The following information gets printed on the backplate: the Ferodo brand, the R90 number, the part number, the manufacturing date code, the material code, directional information, and the circled E number. The manufacturing date code links to the production steps and raw material batches, guaranteeing both part and component traceability. Several components can be added to align with application requirements: counterweights, piston clips, wear indicators, cabling, differential wear clips, rivets and springs. Ferodo product boxes have been made to pad size to save transport and stocking space, to protect the pad in the box from movement and to reduce waste, supporting sustainability from production to installation. A one-to-one drawing of the part is printed on the back of the box for easy part identification by the installer. The box also features key information, the R90 sign, and a QR code label to share technical information and to offer anti-counterfeit protection. Ferodo boxes are tamper-proofed and shrink-wrapped for dispatch. We perform arduous usage simulations through a series of tests to check the characteristics of each pad we put on the market. Among our tests, we perform quality and industrialization tests, raw materials, conformity and production tests, process optimization tests. Sustainability is key for us. Therefore, we pay extra attention to dust emissions, energy management, production staff members' safety, and noise at and around our production plants. We achieve this by enforcing tight tolerances, regular compliance checks, and through the usage of an RTO, regenerative thermo-oxidizer machine. The Kostelec production plant has been P3 certified, proving our commitment to excellent production processes.